Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's at school and Bandit's just hanging out, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have a little something from a company called JuryInspire. Now, they did reach out to me and asked me if I would be willing to try a piece of their jewelry and give them my honest opinion, and I said yes. They look to have some lovely options, and so I was really excited because I love jewelry, and they had so many lovely things on their website. So I want to tell you a little bit about the company. They claim on their website to be based out of California. However, they also have shipping addresses out of Great Britain and Hong Kong. So I think they may have a warehouse in California. I'm not 100% sure about that. I do believe that mine did come from out of country based upon the shipping label, but they may have a warehouse in California because they do say they're based out of California. But again, further on, it does say that they're based out of the UK and Hong Kong. So they say that they love creating beautiful jewelry without the beautiful price tag. So they do have a large collection of rings, engagement rings, wedding rings, bracelets, necklaces, earrings, everything at more affordable prices. They do have jewelry made out of sterling silver, and they have a 60-day hassle-free return policy, they claim. Now, I did look up this company before I agreed to work with them. They had very good reviews on Trustpilot, so I was reasonably certain that they were an above-board company and a company that I would want to recommend to you guys. So they did have great Trustpilot review ratings, and on Scam Advisor, they actually have a trust score of 100%. So that also made me feel good about working with this company, and they had great reviews all over the place. So I believe I read some Reddit reviews as well. So I was very comfortable utilizing this company and working with this company. Now, they say they also use alloy with palladium, which is going to minimize allergens, and it also helps the jewelry retain their true color. Each piece does have a 1-year warranty, and if there is something broken or you need repair, they will fix it. They also say that they donate 5% of their profits to help build a brighter future in mining communities, in the communities in which they operate. They're also donating to programs or to companies, agencies that promote human rights and environmental practices within their industry. Now, they didn't give me a specific code, but right now online, they do have 3 different codes for some of their jewelry. One is a buy 2, get 1 free, and the code for that is the word free in all capital letters. Buy 1, get 1, 60% off, and the code for that is V as in Valentine 60, and site-wide 10% off sale, and that is V for Valentine 10. So they do have some great codes online to help you save a little bit of money. They also sent it in a little bag. Oh, this company does also take PayPal, and to me, that's always the sign of a legitimate retailer. You know, I'm not always like willing to give my credit card information to just any little retailer online, but if they have PayPal, I feel pretty secure in that payment method, as well as if there were issues and I needed to dispute the claim of PayPal backing me up. So that's another. They also accept the buy now, pay later PayPal option. Okay, so in the box was this bag. It was folded up, but I just wanted to show you that they do make it presentable as if you have a nice little gift, whether it's for yourself or somebody else. And then the outer box, it does come with a care guide. And it was very hard to choose, but I did finally choose this piece. I thought it was so interesting and different, but they had so many interesting and different pieces that I just fell in love with. But I went with this one. I don't know. I like blues, so that really drew me to this one. So this is a 3 carat weight pear cut aquamarine pendant. It retails for $118.88. The standard length is 17 inches. However, for an extra $10, you can go up to an 18-inch. For $15, a 20-inch. And for $20, a 22-inch. Or you can just buy an extender, whatever works best for you. I did ask for the 18-inch because I wanted it to kind of hang down to here, and I wasn't sure where it would hang at the 17-inch. They do offer free shipping worldwide for any purchase over $59. This is a lab-created gemstone. The metal is 925 sterling silver. The plating color is platinum. So when it's plated with that platinum, you're not going to get the tarnish that you'll get on your silver jewelry. So here it is out of the box. And we're going to try this on. Now this does not have an extender on it, so it is just the one loop right. But again, if you order the wrong size, if you order it too small, you can always get an extender on it. But that was right where I wanted it to fall. So I probably could have gone with the 17-inch, but I really wanted to make sure that the fall on it was around here. Because if you're wearing a V-neck, or if you're going out and you are kind of doing a V-neck over here, having that little extra bling that just kind of hangs down is just, I think, so elegant. I love the fact that it's just very delicate looking, but sturdy. Like it's not flimsily made. It does feel like the stone will stay in for a while. It does have stones in the loop, and those will be cubic zirconia. So when they're looking at the weight, they're just looking at the aquamarine, not the cubic zirconia. But I can remember back in the day, like cubic zirconia was like, oh my God, that's so cheap. But nowadays it's costing a lot more, and they're actually using even cheaper materials for the less expensive jewelry. So even though it's CZ, it doesn't look cheap. I think it looks very nice. And it's, you know, it's a great alternative to putting out thousands of dollars on a piece of jewelry that you're going to wear on special occasions. I even feel like getting engagement rings from here. With the cost of things today, having a reasonable alternative seems like a smart choice. You know, instead of paying a third of your salary, or what is it, 4 months of your salary, whatever it is that they recommend for an engagement ring, doing something that's more reasonable so you can secure your future, purchase a home. Purchasing it from something like this, I don't think it degrades it. I mean, I don't even wear my wedding and engagement ring. So I feel like if you don't need that kind of thing, that this is a great option to have something beautiful, well crafted, that's going to sparkle and look just as good, but not break the bank. So I really like that about this company, is that it's not cheap. Nothing in here is like $20, but it is gorgeous, unique designs, lots of different unique designs. If this isn't the style for you, they have lots of other styles. They have delicate, they have more statement pieces. So there's something for everyone on this website. So I have the information down below. There is a link. I don't have an affiliate code. It's just a link to get you to the site, or you can always just look it up. It's JuryInspire, and check them out. See if there's anything that you like. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.